Hey YouTube, it's Dark World Duelist here. Picked up a tin today. One of the older Zenmaister ones. There's only one left, so I decided to pick it up. For the promo thing, we got Zenmaister, Neopathin the Sky Paladin, Kirstia, Gaia, and Pot of Duality. Some of those are going into the Dark World deck I have. And then we got the packs. We got 2 Storm of Ragnaros, 1 Extreme Victory, and 2 Hidden Arsenal 4. I think I'll start with the Hidden Arsenal. Open these just for time. We got a Fabled Cerberol, good card. Genex, Ally Solid, Jurassic Dino, Sacred Spirit of the Ice Barrier, Genex, Ally Birdman. Second pack, we got a Fabled Kudababi, Strategist of the Ice Barrier, the Fabled Catsif, Genex Ally Bellflame, and Volcanon. Nice. Let's go with Extreme Victory. Extreme Victory, first pack. Red Dragon Vase, W Nebula Meteorite, TGI EM1, Force Resonator, and TG Striker. Very rare. Scarlet Security, Axe Dragonite, Mech Time Blast, and Nasashi. First pack of Ragnaros. Xian's Squire, Tyrant's Tirade, Watmole, Watkey, and a Doppel Warrior. Nice. Cyber Shield, Nordic Relic something, Blackwing Clemma the Haze, and Resonator Engine. Nice. Last pack. Hourglass of Courage, Mimir of Nordic Insistent, Black Boost, Quick, Watt Bricks, and Secret 6 Strike Thunderblast. Nice. Scrap Shark, Kanakuri Gold Dust, and Holojoft. That's nice, at least a holo. And those are the pulls. So yeah, hopefully I'll have a deck update with some of those cards in it. Dark World Duelist signing out.